I'm grateful, Ted. Thanks for being here because I'm really grateful that you are. I super appreciate it. Today we're doing something I've never done before. We're at the Deschutes County Fair. It's a county fair. A lot of people have gone to county fairs. They know how it all is. Tonight I'm here specifically to shoot drone program and all of the things that happen with that program. Now, if you happen to have seen the Pine Mountain Observatory vlog, you know how difficult it is for me to shoot night shots. And if you haven't seen that, you can see it right up there. But I think I'm going to use a different camera tonight, and we'll see if it works. If you happen to be watching this, it worked. I'm also going to take a little walk around the county fair because, you know, all the lights and all the fun activities. So come on, let's go drone on. As with most county fairs, there's a good musical program going on tonight. It's the Old Crow Medicine Show. They're a really good Americana / bluegrass band. I've seen them a few years back. I can't show them to you because of the YouTube copyright strikes, but it's a good show tonight. You really do have to come to a place like this at nighttime because the lights really make it. So I'm not real sure about the drone program. They had some good music, but I think if I put the music that they were using in the video, I'll get a copyright strike. So I'll probably figure out, between now and the time you see this, I'll probably figure out something else to put there for the music for the drone program. Do you like going to the county fair where you live? If you do, put it down in the comments. Give it a thumbs up. And, you know, it's got to be at night because the lights is what makes it, right? Right. We've got something different going on next week. At this point, I'm not quite sure what it might be, but I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's a repeat of the event that has more views on this channel than any other. So until next week, we'll see you then.